I'm going to show you how to get to the test mode on a Ferroli Blue Helix high-tech. First we press the 3 lines, then we need to go into service, press the 3 lines again to enter. We need to put the code in. The code is 1234. We'll start on the right, press the plus button to get to 1, press the left button to move the screen across, press the right button to go to number 2, press the left button to move it across, press the plus button to go to 3. You see the pattern, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Press the 3 lines to enter. Then we need to scroll down to test. We press the 3 lines to enter. You can hear the boiler and it'll start going into test mode straight away. It starts upon medium. If you look down at the power, it shows that you actually is fired up. If you want to go down to minimum, press the minus button. It pauses and then it'll go on to minimum, and that'll drop down right the way down to minimum. If you want to get it to maximum, press the plus button, wait, you go to medium, press the plus button again, and it'll go to central heating max. Then if you wait a little bit, this will start increasing its output. As you can see, it's actually rising. Once you've done your test mode and you want to come back out of it, you need to keep your finger pressed on this button till the screen changes. Then press back, and it will show you the original screen. That's how you do the test mode on a Ferroli Blue Helix high-tech. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.